there everyone, and it's been a little while since I sort of put some of the solo routines up for the Ballroom and Latin, so we're back. It's October 2021, we're rapidly recording lots of classes, live and extras. So as you can see, nobody here in the studio with me. Taught a little routine of solo rumba Tuesday the 12th of October 2021, that was last week. Just a little short recap of the beginner's routine. I've called it beginners 1A because it really is only just using a handful of the basic steps. And previously last year we taught routine 2, which actually is a little bit more complicated. So I didn't want to add this on as routine 3 because it's actually easier. So it's routine 1A, handful of the little steps. Let me break them down, and then it is on the ladies' timing. I'm going to start with the right foot lead. I didn't have any gents in the class, so any of the gentlemen watching, just bear in mind I'm going really with the right side. Okay, so we started with side basics, the cucarachas, out and close, out and close, out and close, out and close. And for the ladies that felt confident enough to put some arms in, we were reaching, turning the doorknob and then pulling the door towards us. Okay, now from the side it looks like this. Turn the doorknob, bring it in. Turn the doorknob, bring it in. So that's going out, together, out. You can look over your arm to the same direction if you want. Arms were optional. We then did a basic back and forwards rumba step. This would be starting on the ladies' timing, which is back on the right. Gents would normally come forwards first, then go back, but we're all still using the same feet, don't worry too much. So I had back and side, forwards and side, back and side, forwards and side. Okay, we then did some New Yorkers. Got to step my right foot through, rock and side, rock and side, rock and side, rock and side. And again, for the ladies that felt most confident to put their arms out, I said we could put one up and one out, we could put one up and one forwards. It doesn't matter which way you go. We're not dancing with a partner, so just any arm you feel like, one, either or neither. Okay, now, keep turning away from the camera. Oh goodness, there's a plane going over. The studio is actually overlooking Belfast Harbour, and the city airport is about 1.5 miles away from the studio. So I will take into account the window not being open next time I record. Apologies. Now, so walking. I did 1 rock back, 3 forwards, 1 at the front. Looks like this. Rock back on the right. 3 walks forwards. We did a little rock forwards, 3 walks back, and we did that once, okay? Just the once. So 1 rock back, 3 walks forwards, 1 rock at the front, okay? Just the once. When we got here and we got back to where we started, we took half a basic, literally just the first half. We then did a spot turn, so I bring my left foot across, spot, turn, and then we close. I then did some body movement with the pedal, ball of the foot into the floor, ball heel action, pedaling into the floor. We were using our elbows, using our shoulders, letting our arms breathe, and so on. Okay, let me dance that all the way through, hopefully without stopping. If I put it in a different order and I forget, you know what I'm like, don't worry, okay? General idea, principle thereof. Okay, so we start here. Out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. New Yorkers, New Yorkers. We did 3rd one and a 4th one. 1 rock and 3 walks, 1 straight line, rocking, walk, 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 half a rock, half a basic, we turn, close our feet, pedal on the spot, pedal on the spot, pedal on the spot, and last pedal on the spot. And then we start it again, okay? So I'm going to dance that with the music.